Hi there. Today in the highlight series for the Jayco Greyhawk, I'm going to go over a little bit of the sleeping functions so everybody can enjoy a nice comfy bed when it's time to call it a night. So up here above the driver's area and passenger area for the cabin, we have a bed here. This thing is optional. You can push that thing up out of your way, fold it up on top of the other one to give you some more headroom while you're traveling around. Just simply fold it back down into position with these ladder hooks out. So in this case, with the ladder hooks out, you would just take your ladder down, you hook it into this position here, then you could climb up safely up into the bed area. Now for this dinette is really neat. This right here, it has a little latch underneath here, so you go ahead and you release this latch, move it out of the way, and then you'll want to pull these pads up out of the way here, get them up out of the way so that this thing will fold down and sit right here on these notches. So in doing so, you just want to get a nice hand way back here on the table. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure, as you can see. You just apply a nice even pressure right there, pretty much in the center of the table. That's a good leverage point for operating that bed system. Then to lift it back up, you can use a leverage point out here, real easy. Then you move that thing back up into position and lock this latch for dining purposes and also for travel. It's best to just keep that thing in position here. And once you're down into position, you can move these and kind of position them into place to get a nice even bed. Move those down into position and it will fill in the space there. Now over here we have a knife style futon where you just simply lift up on this after removing these two arms. This guy just kind of positions itself in there with that tab right there on the side, and that rests there. Same with the one on this side, same style. And to lift that bed into position, you just lift that thing up. It will roll out just like a futon and sit flat. You can sleep two more right there. And then of course there is the master bedroom, and there's nothing special about this bed. It's all ready for a good night's sleep. Nothing crazy you gotta do there. Just put some sheets on it, and those can be provided as well upon request. So that wraps up the sleeping portion of the cabin. Thanks for joining us.